5-layer steel thickening. Uniform thermal conductivity without oil fumes. No coating is safer. 1. 5-layer steel integrated molding. No need to worry about bottom dropping. One part passes down 3 generations. No coating. Coated parts contain harmful substances. There is no need to worry about coating safety issues. 2. Imported 1810s pure precision steel is used, with a purity of 99.9% and no excessive heavy metals. The aluminum block has strong thermal conductivity, effectively controlling the amplitude of thermal expansion and contraction at the bottom of the pot, and achieving more uniform heating. 3. The inner wall of the pot is treated with satin technology and has strong thermal conductivity. Cooking only requires low heat, saving energy. There is no need to add too much oil during the cooking process, reducing the risk of high cholesterol caused by excessive oil and achieving light oil and low smoke. For the outer wall adopts 5A level polishing technology, which is usually used for jewelry, diamonds and other products. The 5A mirror polishing process is as bright as a mirror, and the pot body is not easily oxidized and blackened, making it easy to clean. 5. Export to Europe. Italian brand. Export to Europe. EU food safety and quality assurance. 6. Main materials. 5-layer steel inner layer. Imported 1810s precision steel. Steel core. Aviation high conductivity aluminum. Outer layer. 18/0 magnetic steel.